Hello once again, audience. My name is Lucas the Brazilian Dude. We're back at it again, fixing up an RV. This is a little project that I've been working on. Everything works over here. I just want to give it an upgrade. So I have the writing diagram right here, and we can just go over it briefly. As you can see up here, we have the wire gauge and the torques in inch-pounds. So let's document over here for future references for me. So let's see, let me just prop this up in a way where I can just point stuff out. So right here is the power cord. It comes into this hole, and it is distributed in between the negative terminal, which is this bar over here, the neutral terminal bar, which is not grounded, which is this top part here. And then we have the three main breakers. They are, let's see, 30 amps. Well, three of them. Let's get rid of this little guy. Then we got the reverse polarity protection fuses. Right there, the 40 amps, 15 amps. We got all of those over there, the 240 amps, all the 15 amps. And then right there we have the lights that turn on. I think all these wires are connected. Now you gotta see where all these wires go to, because there's a lot of wires, and I just want to make sure I have the correct fuses. So let's see here. So this is where everything goes, and everything's working fine except for the AC unit. Oh shoot! Except for the AC unit up there. So that's why I had to tear everything down. Well, that, and because I'm gonna have to rebuild a couple of the braces due to rot. If that's okay. I'm gonna make it even better than what it was. Now, the connection cable, this over here, that hooks up to a generator. And let's see, 120, 120. That's what I'm probably gonna do. I'm gonna set up an array of solar panels, pick up a battery charger, set me up a couple other batteries, and we're gonna be hooking it up to this rig and trying to get it working. So let's see here. Let's just take a look at the wires. So from the branch AC, the negative terminal bar over here, we got these negatives right there. that I'm gonna have to decipher and see where everyone goes, just so that I can know. We got the neutral terminal bars right there, so will also be these right here. And then we got 3 fuses. Let's turn to the side real quick. 120 to 240 volt. 10 kiloamps. I guess it'd be useful to pick up a couple extra one of these and have them on hand in case I'm out in the road. A couple of these 15 amp fuses as well. There's really nothing on here. So there's also this panel that says DC wiring instructions. Fuses 1 through 9 are rated for a maximum of 20 AC fuses, and 10 and 11 are rated for a maximum of 30 ADC. Do not replace fuses with higher amp fuses. Output terminals 10 through 14 AWG copper conductors rated for 105 degrees or greater. Okay. DC lugs, use 6 through 10 AWG conductors. Red LED indicator indicates bad fuses or circuit. For wire gauges and torque ratings, see back of this door for assembly. All right. And that's what this is. That's what we have been looking at. Let's see here. And there's also this warning: a replacement or additional circuit breakers shall be the same manufacturer, type, designation, and equal or greater interruption rate. Short circuit current rating for the breaker should be 10,000 amps. That's what was that is what's 10 kiloamps. What was that? Was that in here? Let me just read that. That twice. I don't know. I might just be over analyzing this, but we can begin to track down these wires. So we have this. Let's start from the bottom. We have this red and white wire. So red and white wire. Stand up for this. Let's see. It goes. I think it's in the middle of this one over here. I don't know. That's orange. That's orange. Red and white. This is one red and one white, but it's not half red, half white. Or is that just red and white, half red, half right? Let's just double check in here. What could happen also, let's see. Oh yeah, this wire moves down under the floor. Where does that red and white wire go to? It's all tied in here. All those let's. There it is. There's. I think it is the red and white double wires. So these are for the overhead lights. Yeah, these are for the overhead lights, and they go up to here. All right, so that's that very bottom fuse. If I were to trip it, those lights would turn off. Okay, the next in line is, let's see. This one. It's gonna be a little tougher because it's just white. Okay. Yeah, that is gonna be a little tougher for me to find. Might be a little wiggle. Pure white. Okay. Not sure exactly. It's a little difficult to figure it out. I didn't even think about the act of filming would make it so much difficult to check it out. But I think it's that white wire. Not sure where it would end up. Let's see if I can find the other distinct wires. This is the green wire. It's the third from the bottom. Let's see, I can see it right there. It splits into two right there. Let's see. So then it goes all the way up. Yep, it's still right in there. And the green wire travels up through the roof, and the green wire goes all the way to the back. Now I think the green wire might be the lights for the bedroom. So I'm gonna assume that the green is going in there is going to be for the lights or something to do in there. So the third from the bottom is bedroom lights. Right, green is bedroom lights. And then we got the next two are both blues. Next four actually are all blue, so that's actually going to be a little more difficult. So let's see where the very first one is, which is orange. The orange goes all the way up to the ceiling. Does it? Yeah, it goes all the way up to the ceiling, and then it goes up behind over here somewhere. It might be it has to do, the orange is for the main lights. As you can see, that is what turns on and off the main lights. I assume because it's going down here, or is that the red? No, the red is for the lights. Orange goes to the other side, and then it comes down. So the orange was actually for, that's the panels, that's the panels, yeah. It was the underhand light for the cabinets under there. All right. Then if we check out here, we got all the rest of the blues. Let's see. Blues. I think I see. Yeah, the blues are all up here. And then I think we're gonna have to assume that they might be for the heat, for the water, the white water, or the fresh water, the black water, and the gray water tank, and the battery. It could also be for the AC system, and so I'm gonna have to double check. But I actually don't think it's for the AC system, because this wire is the wire that goes into the AC unit. That's also a little bit of a mess that I'm gonna be trying to figure out. As you can see, I got the wire gauges over here and the part number, the serial number. Let's see. All right. All for documentation purposes, we got the way everything is laid out in here. And this is very dangerous. This is right at eye level, believe it or not, for me. So I have to tuck this away so I don't hurt myself. Oh, like so. All right. Yeah, as you can see, this was the microwave. That was the microwave outlet. Is the battery dead? It must be dead. But all of those are being connected down here. The yellow ones. Let's see. I'm just gonna have to go on without the without the light, so I apologize about that. Let's see if my phone can actually capture. Let's see. I'm guessing it's this is the AC to DC converter. In there, I can see some coils. That's cool. It works. It works good whenever, like, all the appliances work. Whenever I turn on the generator, I just have it off right now because I am physically touching the thing, and I do not want to shock myself. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully I can figure out a good battery, a good way to hook up the battery and the solar panel system to that. If anyone has any idea, please just leave them below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. Goodbye.